Today we are gonna tear down and clean our filthy KDK ceiling fan remote control. This remote control has been with me for 5 years. So it's placed in the dining room. So whenever we have our meals, right? So with owly hands, dirty hands, we'll take it and switch on the fan. So you can see a lot of gunk on the front and back. Ew. Okay, so quite simple and straight away dismantle. 2 top screws at the back, 1 just below the battery compartment. So it should be easier. Okay, there's 2 more clips at the side. Use a spudger to remove it. Yeah, now I'm pointing to the clips there. Depending on how careful you are, sometimes it breaks, and at the back of the case there's some support. So technically they'll be able to make it even slimmer. So the screws holding the PCB, right, is black screws. From how I see, right, it's exactly the same size and pitch as compared to the screws they're holding to the case. So nicely done, PCB. The screen LCD is soldered on. I think I don't have the tools to remove it or replace it. Oh yucks. The keypad and inside of the case is filled with fiber and dirt. Some brushing. Some moments later, I decided to pour alcohol and give it a really good clean. The front panel, I hate the edges when they are filled with dirt, and I'm going through a few pieces of this wipes. Now to the back of the case, more alcohol, more wipes. I'm gonna find out how they secured this LCD. There's no soldering point at the back, so if there's any comments, do let me know. You won't get anything wrong from this keypad. It goes in one way. So the trick is there's a part where it sits below the LCD. Put on the keypad on the PCB first, put it and assemble it back, making sure that the infrared bulb sits onto the recess. Give it a good push, make sure everything is in place. Okay, before closing up the case, just make sure that it works. All buttons, they have a contact. disgusting back cover. Yeah, I think this part took longer to clean compared to the front of the case because there are these slots behind, yeah, trapping a lot of dirt. Guys, if you like my content, right, do subscribe. If there's any ideas what you like to see in my next videos, do let me know. If I have the resources, definitely I'll do something. Yeah.